Hey everyone, we're back with another quick tip with Robotech. I'm Jillian, and today I'll be talking about how to edit attributes from your AutoCAD project. We'll learn how to take them into a program like Excel, but really you can use any other text editing software. And we'll learn how to import it back into AutoCAD and have it automatically populate the attributes with your new values. So here I already have a sample file opened. The first step is accessing the Export Attributes command. That is going to be up in your ribbon in the Express Tools tab. Locate your Blocks panel, and here we can find the Export Attributes command. Click on it to start. And the first thing it's going to do is ask you where you want to save the file to. I'm just going to save over this one that I have here, but typically you want to save it in at least the same location as the file itself, as well as naming it something at the very least similar to the name of the file. It will save as a .txt file, and that's okay. Hit save. I'm going to replace my previous one. And now it's going to prompt you to select the objects. So you want to go ahead and select the blocks that you want to edit or at least receive the attributes from. I'm going to go ahead and highlight just my entire project. And even though I had multiple blocks in my file, it only highlights the ones that actually have attributes assigned to them. So now I can see all of my door tags have been highlighted. I'll press enter. And if we check out our command line here, it does say it outputted the file, and we can see the location of that txt file. Let me go ahead and open up Excel now, and I'm going to open up that txt file. Here is the document. You're going to see multiple columns in here. You'll probably have more than I do, but at the very least, you'll have the first column, which is the handle. Now, the handle is actually what assigns this info back to that specific block. Whatever you do, definitely avoid editing this value. Once you change this number, it could break the connection and it'll be very difficult to bring it back into AutoCAD and assign the appropriate value to it. So do not touch this first column. The second column is the name of the block itself. And then every column after that represents all of your attributes and the current values assigned to them. So now the next step is going to be editing these values, and then we can go ahead and save it and then bring it back into CAD. Okay, I've just finished editing the text file. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now you can save over it, but what I definitely recommend that you do is you instead save it as a new file. So save it to the same exact location. I would add something like modified attributes, or perhaps even the date that you had made the modifications. Just at the end here, continue to save it as a txt file, hit save, and now we can take this file and bring it back into AutoCAD. So now back in our CAD file here, you're going to locate the same exact location as Export Attributes, go to Express Tools, locate your Blocks panel, except this time you're looking for the Import Attributes command. Click on it to begin. Locate your now modified txt file. Hit open. It'll take a second to populate. Obviously, the more attributes that are there or more values that you have changed, the longer it's going to take. But now you're going to see all of these are going to update. If I zoom in here, now all of the door tags that are of the same door size are now going to share the same door number, whereas before it was individual to the door item. All right, and that is it for our quick tips with Robotech. If you have any questions, Please feel free to leave a comment down below. Otherwise, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.